Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you another stock video analysis, this one on Broadcom Incorporated, symbol AVGO. I did record this video on Monday, August 16th, 2021. This video is really prompting you for the possibility of a buy signal that may play out into later year. It has yet to occur. I'm going to give you the conditions in which that would occur. We're very close for that to set off, and I'll show you that in a moment. First, let me tell you a little bit about Broadcom. If you're not familiar, they are a large cap American corporation. They're part of the S&P 500, an American designer, developer, manufacturer, and global supplier of a wide range of semiconductor and infrastructure software products. I think that's really about it. The $200 billion market capitalization. And so Wicked Stocks offers two forms of membership, free and premium. Free membership is exactly as it sounds. For no cost or obligation, you will receive one free stock video analysis a week, typically released on Mondays. And if you provide your name and email address, you'll receive an email from us each and every time a new free weekly video is ready for viewing. The second form of membership is premium and provides at least two stock videos every week and costs $24.95 a month. Just click on the premium membership link, fill out your payment information through our safe gateway portal, and you'll receive an email each and every time a new premium video is ready for viewing. Cancellation is allowed at any time. Let's take a look at the chart itself, and I'm going to zoom in on this area, just the last few years of trade, to show you what is setting up this channel structure that's actually been holding the highs for the last month or two. It's presently at 494.79. It drops a penny a week, and that 494.79 is for the week of August 16th. So for the week of August 23rd, it'll be 494.78. It is a resistance ceiling. And so for those of you who play the short side, who buy puts, sell calls, sell stock, this is a ceiling that you could sell into, because from here we can fall back into the 410s, 418, 420 area, which I'll show you in a moment. But what I'm doing is I'm really prompting you for a potential buy signal, that if this stock continues higher this week and settles above 494.79, and yes, once again by a 1% margin. So 1% beyond 494.79 is 499.73. I like to use the 1% as a validator. So if we close at 499.73, I think we've got what I call buy signal clarity into later year. I would then expect bullish continuation. I'm going to say over the next several months. It could be as little as 3 to 5 weeks. You can see, that February high, we broke back an equal amount within 3 or 4 weeks. So if we get a spike in volatility, it could be, say, by the end of September, we'd reach that 570.63 objective. And 570.63 is nothing more than a doubling of the previous width of that channel structure we've been in since earlier this year. And so I like to use these as targets, not necessarily as areas to sell aggressively into, but just as sort of a met objective. You may consider liquidating part, if not all, of your long trade if you've been holding it for the weeks prior to that. But also know that there's nothing to say that this market couldn't continue all the way up to a channel top that presently exists at 609.31, and that's rising 439 a week. So that's another possibility. In any event, if you're to buy in the 490s and sell in the 570s, you're looking at over a 15% gain within a matter of weeks, several months, and potentially 25% or more if you hold it into the $6 area and rising. But once again, holding below 494.79 will keep buying pressures contained, and we could fall back to 418.95 or the channel bottom. The signal for that would be a settlement below 458.36. In that formation, as you can see on this chart, a nearer term channel bottom, horizontal in nature, also dropping a penny a week, closing below 458.36 would indicate a good high, really into the fourth quarter, as the next few weeks, 3 to 5 weeks, should then yield 418.95, where we could bottom out through the balance of the year. But really, the purpose of this is prompting you as to a potential buy signal that would play out this week if we closed above 494.79 by the 1% margin. 499.73 or higher on Friday would do it, or any Friday on that formation. Now, you can act on a daily basis, and I've been saying that. And so there's the same structure exists on a daily bar chart. It's just that the week has finality closure to the longer term buy signals. And if you did buy it on a Wednesday or a Thursday at 499.73 or higher, then you obviously want to follow that up with a Friday settlement also 499.73 or higher. And then bullish continuation is expected into the 570s or higher over the following several months. And that's really all that needs to be said for this particular Wicked Stocks video analysis on Broadcom Incorporated.